into my shoes, walk out the door. Got my shades on. Yep, I'm feeling cool cause I have some fun. It's the weekend and we're about to dive into this beach sand. Fun in the sun, baby come here, let's get it done. Your hand in my hand, our bodies touching.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. Before we get into this video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please press the subscribe button and the bell sign so you get notified anytime I post a video. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this fringe skirt and pants. Like you can see, I've already drawn out lines. That's the line I'm going to use to put my fringe all round. So what you need for this tutorial is very basic. You need a fringe. This is very inexpensive. You can get this in any of the local supply shops or stores. So you're going to need this fringe, your desired color of course, and you're going to need a glue gun. This glue gun, I got it on AliExpress and it was very inexpensive. I'm going to link it down below in case anyone wants to buy. And you're going to be needing a pair of scissors. Any scissors would do. Finally, you're going to be needing a washable pencil. So I already got a head start. If not, this video would have been 15 minutes long. So I'm just going to show you guys in detail how to make this. So your glue gun, you have to plug it. So in a vertical motion, just go around where you drew your washable pencil and glue your fringe trim on your skirt. At this point, I'm just going to let you guys watch. It's very self-explanatory. So at this point, I decided to go back and add some more because I realized it was a little bit scanty and I had leftover fringe, so it was a win-win.
Weekend and we're about to dive into this beach sand. Fun in the sun, baby come here, let's get it done. Your hand in my hand, our bodies touching. Feel the heat on my skin. I'm running to you, girl, running to you, girl. So lovely, get out.
So DIY number 2. So just the same way we added the fringe on the skirt, we're going to be doing the same thing on this red pants. So I had already drawn out a line to act like a guide for me. So when I'm using the glue gun, it would be easy.
I've been thinking about you lately. Your body drives me crazy. Oh yeah. We can go out in the night time, listening to the stars. I am spilling all our secrets, baby. I'm gonna take you on a journey. Hold my hands and you'll see that this love to you and me is heavenly. At the center of the moon, it's just me and you. Vibe into the storm, boy, I'm running to you. So love, let's get out in the sun. No stopping us. You see that